Did you know that sometimes the smallest person in a family can be the wisest? River watched sadly as his big brothers Jake and Sam fought every single day. They used to be best friends, but after moving to their new town, they became enemies who wouldn't even share a room anymore. River had a secret plan. At the library, he found a book about teamwork and got a brilliant idea. He asked both brothers to help him build a raft, but here's the clever part. He gave them jobs that needed each other's help. Jake was great at building with wood, but he needed Sam's smart engineering ideas. Sam could design amazing plans, but he needed Jake's building skills to make them real. Week after week, River watched his plan work as his brothers slowly started working together. The magic moment came when they sailed their raft for the first time. Jake and Sam suddenly realized what River had done all along. As they paddled together, laughing and talking for the first time in months, they learned that building relationships takes just as much patience as building anything else.